Pro tip: easiest climb in Tower of Hell. Learn the zigzag climb to boost speed by 40%. Conquer those tricky platforms like a pro.
Hey, Robloxers. Want to climb like a pro in Tower of Hell? Let's dive into the zigzag technique that's going to change your game. Get ready to climb faster and smarter.
Alright, let's break it down. Move your avatar diagonally and use that momentum. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision. Say goodbye to falling and hello to victory.
Why waste energy climbing straight when you can zigzag to the top? This method keeps you energized and reduces mistakes. It's the secret sauce to staying ahead in every level. With the zigzag technique, you are boosting your speed by a whopping 40%. Perfect for those high, tricky platforms. Say goodbye to falling and hello to smooth sailing. Now it's your turn. Master the zigzag climb and challenge your friends to see who's the real Tower of Hell pro. Show off those skills and leave them in awe.
Ready to climb like a pro? Try this zigzag technique in your next game and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic Roblox tips.